Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the EasySpeak English Podcast. My name is John, and I'm very happy to be here with you today. Today, the studio feels calm, warm, and friendly, and that feeling is perfect for our topic. I'm not alone today. I have a lovely guest with me. Judy, welcome to the podcast. It's great to have you here.
Thank you, John. I'm really happy to be here and to talk with you and our listeners today.
This time of year always feels special. Even though Christmas is over, the memories stay with us.
Yes, exactly. Christmas finishes, but we keep talking about it and remembering it.
That's why today's episode is very useful for learning English. We're talking about the past. Today we will answer a very common question in English. How was your Christmas?
That's a great question. People ask it all the time at work, with friends, and with family.
And to answer this question, we need the past simple tense. So, Judy, let's start with you. How was your Christmas?
Oh, John, my Christmas was wonderful, but it was also very busy.
Busy can be good or bad.
Hehehe. This time it was good busy. I didn't stay at home. I traveled to my parents' house.
Great example. Listeners, go becomes went. Judy went to her parents' house.
Yes, I went by car. I drove for almost 3 hours.
Wow, 3 hours is a long drive. Was there a lot of traffic?
Yes, there was a lot of traffic, but I listened to music, so I stayed calm.
Music really helps, and especially in traffic. So, family time. When you arrived, who was there?
Everyone. My mom, my dad, my sister, my uncle, and my grandmother. The house was full and very lively.
A full house usually means a happy house.
Yes, it does. We talked for a long time, laughed a lot, and then we cooked together.
Cooking is a big part of Christmas.
Absolutely. My mom cooked a big turkey. I helped her in the kitchen.
What did you do?
I peeled the potatoes, cut vegetables, and cleaned the table.
So, listeners, notice the verbs peeled, cut, cleaned. These are regular verbs in the past tense.
Yeah. After cooking, we ate dinner together. The table looked beautiful, with candles and decorations.
That sounds very cozy.
It was, and of course, we had dessert.
You can't skip dessert at Christmas.
Hehehe. Never. My grandmother baked an apple pie.
Great word. Bake becomes baked.
Yes, she baked it in the morning, and we ate it with ice cream.
That sounds delicious. So, gifts. Did you exchange gifts?
Yes, we did. I received a book and a warm scarf.
And what did you give?
I gave my parents photo frames and my sister a watch.
Giving gifts feels really good.
It does. Seeing people smile is the best part. So, John's Christmas.
Now I'll share my story. My Christmas was very different.
Oh, really? Tell us.
I stayed at home this year. I wanted a quiet and relaxing holiday.
That sounds nice.
Ah, it was. I woke up late, around 10 in the morning.
Wow, that's late.
Yes, I was very tired. After that, I made breakfast.
What did you make?
I made pancakes with bananas and honey.
That sounds amazing.
After breakfast, I watched a Christmas movie.
Which one?
I watched Home Alone. I laughed a lot.
It's a classic.
So, listeners, let's pause for a moment. Did you notice how many past tense verbs we used?
Words like watched, cooked, stayed, traveled.
Most verbs are easy. We add ed.
But some verbs change completely.
Right. We say went, not goed. We say ate, not eated.
These are irregular verbs and they need practice.
The best way to practice is to tell stories. So, try this today. Tell someone what you did yesterday.
Or talk to yourself.
Or talk to your pet. Pets are great listeners. So, let's recap today's episode.
We talked about Christmas memories.
We practiced the past simple tense.
We learned regular and irregular verbs.
And we saw that a busy holiday and a quiet holiday can both be great.
The important thing is to feel happy and safe.
Thank you so much for listening to the EasySpeak English Podcast.
We hope today's episode helped you feel more confident speaking English.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this episode, and share it with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what did you eat during your holiday? Try to use the past tense.
Yeah, that's all for today. We'll be back tomorrow at 7 p.m. We'll be waiting for you. Bye.